Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable two-factor authentication on your Krisp AI account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in krisp.ai and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Krisp AI website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the sign in button at the top right corner, which you can click on and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in, click on manage account and you will be taken into your home page. From this page, if you wish to enable or turn on two-factor authentication, click on the settings option at the left side. Now from your account settings page, if you scroll down, you will see the two-factor authentication menu. Click on enable two-factor authentication and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email. So log into your email address that is associated with your Krisp account and you will see a verification code sent by Krisp. Just enter this code within the verification box and now you will be given your secret key. If you don't already have an authenticator application on your smartphone, go ahead and install it and just scan the respective QR code. When you scan this code, an OTP will be generated, which you can simply enter within the verification box. Finally, click on the enable button and now you will see that your two-factor authentication has been enabled. You will also have the option to download your recovery key by clicking on download TXT. Just click on the done button now and your two-factor authentication has successfully been enabled. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn on two-factor authentication on Krisp AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.